gonna do is we're gonna show you how to wash and style her hair, avoiding any frizz, any buildup, giving her the shine, the definition, the moisture, and she wants her hair a little bit looser and softer, a sense of more length. The biggest challenge with her curl pattern is when you're misusing the products. So we're gonna do 2 steps to get the perfect curls. Step number 1, we're gonna use our Seal the Deal deep conditioner as a leave-in. It's very unconventional just because how do you leave a deep conditioner as a leave-in? And the reason to that is her hair is chemically processed. She has a little bit of frizz, which means she's thirsty. And the mask is basically a powerhouse of nutrition. It's gonna give the hair the moisture, the hydration, and a little bit of protein just to restore that natural curl pattern. Seal the Deal is designed to deliver moisture, reinforce the cuticles, because once you chemically color the hair, sometimes you might experience a little more frizz, a little breakage. There's broccoli seed oil in there to go in and restore some of that moisture. We're going to start with a simple cleanse, and the cleanse is going to be a sulfate-free product because sulfates that are usually in conventional shampoos are stripping the natural oils and they're drying up the hair. Make sure it has no sulfates, no silicones, no parabens, and you'll be good, because a lot of the times we get a lot of questions, what products do I use, what don't I use? The secret to the perfect curls is having a healthy scalp. So what we're gonna do is we're going to cleanse and we're going to flush her follicles and just give her a nice detox. So the first step is a sulfate-free cleanser, making sure that you're evenly distributing the product. It's all about the scalp health, just to get out any of the buildup you might have. So make sure you rinse it out really well. I'm using my fingers to really make sure that I'm doing a nice deep wash. And the best way to style your hair is on a clean canvas. Second step is gonna be, we're gonna hydrate and condition using a silicone-free conditioner that we're gonna start with the ends. You could see how I'm focusing on the back. A lot of the times, we're not giving the back enough attention. Focus on the mid shaft, work your way to the ends, and if you have anything left, you go as close as you can to the scalp. Rinse the conditioner out. Again, I'm focusing on the scalp. I want to make sure there's no buildup at the scalp. So now, once the hair is clean and hydrated, we're going to start off with our Seal the Deal deep conditioner. I'm going to work my way using 2-inch section. Just subdivide the hair. The hair is soaking wet. I'm not touching her scalp, and I'm starting with the ends. I'm just going to evenly distribute. I'm going to smooth the cuticle, detangle, and we want to work our way to the ends. Once the hair is smooth and polished and detangled, then you can go as close as you can, and you want to stay about 1/4 inch away from the scalp. Start with the top and then work your way to the sides. I'm going to re-wet each section. We don't want the deep conditioner, the mask, to overweigh and to weigh down the curls. So I want to make sure the hair is soaking wet. And the way I like to describe the deep conditioner is like a hand lotion. If you were to use a hand lotion on your hand and you rinse it out in 5-10 minutes, it never had enough time to penetrate and absorb. So the deep conditioner here works as a leave-in, because sometimes we need to compensate for the moisture. We don't want a nicotine patch. We want something that's gonna go in, deliver the hydration, the moisture. You could see it's taming all the frizz. I'm gonna slightly damp it again. And then we're gonna jump into our styler. Our styler is gonna be our to have and to hold, wavy to curly hydrating gel. And the hydrating gel is designed with gel and conditioner. That's all you're putting in your hair. So it's not gonna leave your hair crunchy or sticky or with buildup. We're putting in a little bit over our hydration just to lock in that moisture. Avoid the scalp, focus on the mid shaft and on the ends. Now you have two options. You could either scrunch or you could blot. If you want a looser curl, blot. She wants a softer curl. If you want a tighter curl, you could scrunch. Again, I'm gonna blot because she wants a looser curl. And if it was someone who wanted a tighter curl, you would just go in and you would just scrunch it. And that's how much water and hydration and moisture you wanna see.